welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you don't know who I am, my name is Reesie, and as you can tell, I am rocking a French roll hairstyle. Very old school, very 90s. I'm going to a 90s R&B concert with Pattern Beauty. The theme was 90s hairstyles. This is just a perfect way to test out my hairstyle skills, and I really wanted to do a French roll for the very first time. It was very hard to find a tutorial on here, so I definitely wanted to just add this tutorial for anybody who is wanting to learn how to do a French roll hairstyle. So yes, y'all, so I'm gonna give you the whole get ready with me hair, makeup, outfit, all of that, but definitely more so on the hairstyle. I'm talking a lot, so might as well start this video and stay tuned. Don't forget to give this a big thumbs up if this helped a lot. I'll see you guys later. Before we get started, I love listing out the products that you need. It makes everything just feel better when you have everything listed out. So of course, we do need a blow dryer. I am using Pattern Beauty's blow dryer with a nice little concentrated nozzle. I love using the T3 curling irons. You see it everywhere. It's bomb. It's like a half an inch curling iron, and then you have the pencil flat iron for those pesky baby hairs that you want curled. A wide range of combs, brushes, edge control brushes, you name it, have it out for you. The bobby pins is a must. Get a fresh pack if you need to, because you're going to use a lot of them. Of course, rubber bands, some spritz. I recommend the old school spritz. I don't know, something about having old school hair products just makes the hair last longer. Of course, we need some olive oil sheen to add that salon quality look. For moisturizing my hair in the beginning, I'm using Pattern Beauty's jojoba oil, and then for edge control, I am using Pattern Beauty today because, you know, we got to be on theme using Pattern Beauty's products. As you can see, I have wig glue and tracks, or you can opt in for clip ins. And then of course we need the 3-way mirror to see the back of our head because we're doing this on ourselves. And then get some braiding hair and create a nice little ball for the little bun. After we oiled up our scalp, we're gonna go ahead and part our baby hairs out the way using those rubber bands. And then we're gonna create a nice square parting in the front of our head, as you can see. And then I am rubber banding up my kitchen for the little, you know, curls at the bottom. You don't have to do this. I just like to do it for the dramatic effect. Now we're just gonna curl the rest of our hair. I curl it towards me, and then we're gonna use some tracks. I'm gonna glue the tracks in the back. You can of course use clip-ins if you like, and if you're scared to, you know, remove the glued tracks from your scalp. And then I only use 3 tracks, y'all. You don't have to have too much. I just use it for, you know, the extra curl at the top. And I'm gonna use my spritz, and I like to start in a small section, blow dry that off, and use my hand to just smooth it out. As you can see, my face is looking crazy. I don't know why I'm using these facial expressions, but I am spritzing, combing or brushing, and then using the Pattern Beauty's blow dryer to mold that. And then as you can see, I use some bobby pins to just hold that mold for me. And then we're gonna repeat that previous step with some spritz, a comb or a brush to brush that down, and a blow dryer, and keep going until you reach the bobby pins. And then we're going to take our braided hair that we constructed in the beginning of the video and bobby pin that down. I'm using some oil sheen just to add a little more shine. And then as you can see, I am folding that hair over and then twisting upwards. So it's like twisting your hair. Use a comb to just make it as neat as possible. And every time I twist it, I add a bobby pin, and I just keep going all the way up. I hope that makes sense. I didn't realize how dark my hair was, but like in theory and in, you know, motion, you're gonna feel like twisting it and then just shaping it. I don't know if I'm even making any sense, y'all. But as you can see at the top of my head, I am adding just 1 track to just add more length. And then each curl that I'm doing, I just twist the curl back up and then bobby pin it up to get those nice little swoops and just block the messiness that I created at the top of my head. I give it like a little messy look, so it's like a cute messy French roll bun. And then after that, I am just going to work on the bang. So just curl up all the hair that you want up and then leave some hair out for your bang. You can have a middle part bang or a side part. Today I opted in for a side part, and then I'm adding some clip ends to just make my bang a little bit longer, curl away from my hair. And each time I add a clip in, I curl it with my natural hair. So I did this, I think I did 3 clip ins, and then I curled it away from my head. I hope I'm making sense. I feel like visually you guys get the points. Just add the little clip-ins, curl it, and then I use some spritz to mold my bang and use a little comb. Don't comb all the way down, just comb to the halfway point. And I use these little clips. I don't know what they're called, but here I'm excited because my hair came out beautiful. I'm using these clips to just mold my bang while I do my baby hairs and my makeup. And the final step is just curling our baby hairs with a pencil flat iron, and then I go ahead and work on my makeup. So I'm just gonna let you listen to some music while I do my makeup. Enjoy.
Hey, baby. Can I tell you what's on my mind? 'Cause I've been thinking about it for quite some time. Hey, can you give me a moment to declare my love? Can I tell you what's on my mind? Can I get a chance to let you know you're my heart's desire, and I love you so? Will you stay right here, or will you run away if I tell you what's on my mind? I know we're more than friends, but less than lovers. This is not the end, there's much more to discover. Promise to stay, will you promise to never leave if I tell you what's on my mind? Hey, can I let you see the real me? Will you hang around, or will you break free? Would you break free, baby? I just need to know.
Okay friends, this is the final look. This hair turned out amazing. It kind of makes me look a little older. I don't know. How do you feel about it, y'all? It's very modest, very demure, very mindful. But yes, as you can see, it's not perfect. It's a little messy, not like super clean in the back, but it still does its job. This is such a cute, like maybe wedding hairstyle as well. But as you can see, we finished the look. I hope I get first place because it is a competition. It's a competition on who has the best 90s hairstyle. So pray for me that I win because I spent a lot of time on this. This took me 2 hours to do, and I feel like I deserve that prize, okay, y'all? So yes, this is basically it. Thank you for tuning into my video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe for more videos, and I linked everything down in the description for you just in case you want to purchase a few things, okay? I'll see you guys later. Bye.